All right, so I'm going to do one of the problems from the Mastery Review Packet about where you have to use systems of equations to solve it. I'm going to do the first one. It is hold on a second. It's number 23. So it says that on day one, this Cali school is selling some tickets to something, a concert, and they sell 10 adult tickets and 5 child tickets for $192. They also said that on the second day they sold 8 adult tickets, 10 child tickets for a total of $192. So we're going to write two equations, one for day one, you see that? Okay, day one, and day two. And I'm going to use the variables A and C for adult and child tickets. So we have 10A plus 5C is going to be $180, and 8A plus 10C is $192. Right, because if we multiply, where A is going to be the price of an adult ticket, and C is going to be the price of a child ticket, that if I multiply 10 tickets that I sold times the price for adults plus 5 tickets that I sold times the price for children is going to give me the total amount. So each of these 10 times adult is going to give me a dollar amount that I made from adults, all going to the total. You may see versions of this where you have to write one equation for the money made, and then a second equation would give you, like, there were 100 tickets sold, where you would have to do A plus C equals 100. So you'd have, instead of day one, day two, you'd have one equation for money and one equation for tickets. So there's a variation on that too. I think the van and bus problems are like that. Anyway, now that we've written our equations, we are going to solve them. So I would like to do elimination, since I can see that these are really close to being the same coefficient. I'm going to keep this one the same. So I'm going to keep 8A plus 10C equals 192. And I'm going to multiply this equation by -2. So I can get my C's stacked up, one positive, one negative. So this is going to be -20A minus 10C equals -360. Performing my elimination, -20 plus 8 is -12 times the adults, plus 0 times my children is 168. -168. Check my math on that, I did it by hand. So since this is 0 times C, anything times 0 is 0. So I'm left with -12A equals -168. Divide by -12, divide by -12. I get A equals I don't know what that is. I'm going to guess 19. I got to do the math here. 68, 2, 2, 1, 12. Oh, 14. So an adult ticket cost $14. Now I need to plug it back in. So plug it in. To check out what the, hold on. You see that better? Now I'm going to plug it in to find out how much a child ticket costs. Doesn't matter if you plug it into the top or the bottom. I'll do the top.
This is 140, so I'm going to subtract 140. 5C equals 40 divided by 5. The child ticket costs $8.
Now we can check our math to see if that makes sense. Does it make sense for an adult ticket to cost $14 and a child ticket to cost $8? I don't know what that is, but child is typically less, and that's not a totally outrageous amount to expect to pay.